Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Devobroto here this time. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am super excited to announce that I am gonna start a series for Google Apps Script Learning. If you are a Google Apps Script learner or looking for a channel that provides a complete and in-depth content, no worries, you are in the right place. Just subscribe my channel and be the part of this Apps Script learning journey. Today, this is the first day of this session, so I am going to introduce AppScript first. In this video, I am going to cover all basic information of Google AppScript. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. Very first of all, you might be thinking, what is this Google AppScript? Basically, Google AppScript is a programming language like Python, PHP or other. It is very similar to JavaScript. It is hosted on Google Cloud, developed by Google, and browser-based code editor. It means you can write this code directly from your browser. Next question, why I should learn Google AppScript? Because Google AppScript will help you to automate Google Workspace. You can build automated workflow. You can integrate API and webhook to connect external data. You can process the data and visualize them in different formats like charts and different graphs. You can automate your everyday repetitive task. You can connect AI with Google Workspace. The next thing is the limitation of this Google AppScript. Very first of all, the problem is Google AppScript runs a bit slow compared to other programming languages. It has limited execution time, around 5 or 6 minutes. It has quota limitation. It's a one more different problem. The next thing is anyone can edit the script. Please subscribe my channel to get all upcoming videos notification. In second day, we are going to start writing Google AppScript for the first time. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.